All right, this is going to be a video on a more thorough explanation of using this round punch. And 3/16 by 1 is what I use, mild steel for the handles. I don't like the circle on the handles. I prefer the wraparound. It's about 16 inches long. I like to use the Atlantic 33. That is by far, I think, the best choice of tool steel for the punches. That way when it gets hot, you can quench it in the water, because it will get hot and you will need to quench it. So, slide taper to the punch. You know, this one's been made quite a few hammers and it's gotten shorter over time, so it's gotten smaller. I can get away in the 250 with about 3 inches. Probably more if I wanted to, but the height will depend on the size power hammer you have and the maximum throw that you have. So anyway, MIG weld the punch to the handle. Don't grind off the weld. Leave it there. Just be careful that when you drive the punch in, you don't drive it in, you know, into the weld, because that weld will transfer into the piece that you're punching a hole in. So another thing that helps is contouring this edge from here back before you bend it. Grind this edge off and get it kind of more rounded so it's comfortable for your hand. It will make a difference. And you don't want a sharp edge on this punch either. Just take that sharp edge off. So I do prefer a handle that goes over the punch rather than like a pair of tongs that grab it. And there's two reasons. The first one being that you're not making direct contact with the punch to the die, and also if you need some leverage and need to break this punch loose, the tongs holding the punch will slip where this won't. So coming over here, imagine that you're punching a piece through. You want to punch all the way until you feel the punch bottom out. Now when you feel that punch bottom out, you take it out, cool it off, flip the piece over, and put it on top and punch all the way through. Sometimes you might need a bolster for that. Sometimes that little slug will just fall out. Most of the time it will. Keep your water bucket within arm's reach to cool your punch off. That way you're not moving. I'll scoot it a little bit closer, but you don't want to be walking somewhere to cool the punch off. You want it to be a quick action. Also, if you're right-handed, have it on your right. Don't put it on your left so you're reaching across your body. It'd be better for it just to be right there. That way it's nice and quick. You don't even have to move. I still prefer coal dust as my release. I think it works better than anything. So we'll go ahead and punch a piece. It's about a 2-inch square. Now the nice thing about punching with a round punch, if you're making a hammer, for example, a crossbeam like this that has flat sides, is after you punch the hole, the metal is going to be bulged out where you punch through. So when you forge these back down parallel, it creates an automatic oval. That's what I like about this. Sometimes you move it a little bit around to make sure you get it centered. Now you can put your coal dust in there. There's the punch. Like I said, there's a little, that just comes out automatically most of the time. Now you can forge it flat. Now it's ready for your drift. You put your drift in there. There's the punch.